Okay, now our technician has put on-off puller on here on this caliper already. Đây à hả? Chúng ta拿过来。必须要擺件咯，嗬。
擺好咯。
咁呢那邊多一隻毛器咯。
你種3件，然後做一次那邊。
哎，他們嚟工廠做還是自家做？
自家做。
哦，自家做。Okay, for every production, if we must make it one clipper. Look at now, we put here. Okay. Con là kia. Now we are putting the wax on there and push this machine. Make it.
沒有個大。
係幾次兩個嘢嗬。
一停要。
Wow, 好靚 Look at it's very shining, very beautiful. Wow, 好靚啊嗬。Very shining, it's very shining. Look at, very shining. Okay. Okay, so this machine, instead of the job by hand, 好靚 Instead of this the job by hand, look at now here we are using the. Hey, look here. We are using the. We are polishing the production by hand. This is the wax. This is the wax. Okay, this is the wax. Okay, look at now. I show this by hand. 啊，你哋拍一下好對比哈。英文。幾台機過後鐘啊嗬？幾台機啊，就唔使很辛苦。個人。差唔多呀。佢習慣了要學嗬，習慣了冇錯咩？Look at this way, it's by hand. 越寫唔舒服嚇。
哎呦，冇輸你買咩唔輸？老闆有錢講又冇。
係啊。
薪水冇咁好。
Look at this way, it's by hand. Now our technician is putting all of production to there. After he finished job, we can see how to polishing the production by hand. You see here has so many lot of this clipper. Áp dụng ở chỗ lọc bán này hay không? Đây à? Giác quan chưa to bạch chèo mà hô tô lọc bán à?
Bạch chèo tô, giác của bạch chèo mà.
Thế là có hô tô vậy, bạch chèo lọc bán hả?
Bạch chèo nó không做咯。
要到廠啊，叫點個，得不？
小呀又還
小。Okay, now our technician start to polishing this production for us. Okay, he must caliper this in by this way for fixing. Okay, now he made the wax on the polishing wheel and polishing by hand.
Có sử bí rất giống mày yo.
Không phải.
Chẳng sân vô yo.
Không phải. Phòng chuyện đấy. Cho không to tí quá nhiều. Okay, our technician say here is very dirty. If you make our mobile phone is very dirty, I say mobile phone has the function to protect the texture.
講緊全世界你都可能係做到。
Vâng á.
你啱啱做四種乜佢嚟㗎啦，見到要同學邊邊個？
真的很好。Okay, see. It's very nice. And the another, and that side, our technician. And that side, you see that side, our technician is polishing another way. Let me see it. 先不用接。Let me see. Okay. Is this the face? is making the face. One person is making the polishing. One person is tie up the scenes, and one person is polishing the production.